Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin booming. Nice move to the upside from Bitcoin. Before we jump into this TA analysis, I've got some amazing altcoin setups to help you make a ton of money at the end of the video. Remember, I've got a $500 Bitcoin giveaway in 6 days. All you have to do to win is subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment section. I'm going to choose a random comment over basically a 7-day period and give away $500 in Bitcoin. Free Bitcoin. Get your money. Now, Bitcoin 4-hour chart. Here's what we got. So previously, Bitcoin put in this swing high, broke to the downside. This is a rising wedge, right? Broke to the downside. Now, see it put in this nice double bottom, right? Really, Bitcoin likes double bottoms on these reversals. Like, for example, here, double bottom and then reversal. Okay, so we always look for those. But my question is, the bulls, I mean, it'd be very bullish to see a break and a move higher right here. Okay, I mean, the bulls have to break this level. If you get a rejection, there's possibility. I mean, this is a bearish retest, right? I mean, this is where your breakdown volume came in, right? So this is a key level, right? So tough move higher for the bulls, and a rejection could spell continuation to the downside. You know, I mean, I still got buy orders down here, 50,000, 52,000, right? I'm happy to pick up some Bitcoin down there. Still looking for $70,000, $75,000 Bitcoin on the next move higher, right? Because the way this price action works, you put in a swing high and then a correction. Swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, right? Moves in waves, right? Impulse wave, correction, impulse wave. 30-minute chart. So I'm looking for Bitcoin to struggle a little bit right here. Just based on this previous resistance line. You can see these last 2 green candles on the 30-minute have long wicks on the upside. So that means there's a ton of sell pressure. All the sellers are right up here. Okay. So now, at the same time, you see all this volume came in, right? So this tells us this is significant, this is an important candle, right? So you got a breakout. Bottom line is you got this level here. So, I mean, it would be bullish to see a move down here, and that might give the Bitcoin some strength to break out and move higher, or some type of consolidation in here and then a breakout. But again, you lose this level, you're looking for essentially a move lower. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, January, I had about $100,000. Now I have 490,000. Like, it's amazing to see people come into the group with no knowledge of trading, and now he's got a strategy. You know, it's pretty amazing to see the success rate in the trading group. This person sent me a couple screenshots. $500,000 here in this trading account, $413,000 in this trading account. He said, Chris, I have to say big thank you. I joined the group less than 2 years ago. $60,000 he started with. Now he's almost at $1 million. Your calls and trading strategies have made this all possible. You are changing people's lives. This is it. Like, this is the biggest financial revolution of our lifetime. This is the biggest financial opportunity I've ever seen in my life, for sure. You have to make this count. You have to take advantage of this. Listen, we've got these 6 Telegram channels, which are not chatty. Like a lot of groups are all a bunch of chat and nonsense. I don't play that. Like this is a business. We're here to make money, right? It's like here, post something with value or don't post. And we kill it, right? Because we have a no nonsense, like we're here to make money approach. If you are not making a ridiculous amount of money right now in this market, this is the bull market. This is the once in every 4 or 5 years this happens. It's happening. It's happening right now today. A year from now, you don't want to look back and say, man, could have done things a little different. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, if you pay in crypto right now, it's 50% off. So go to my website, cryptorev.net. They're not experienced traders. They didn't know anything about trading until they joined the group, and they're making hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars. Who caught the ZIL pump? So I actually posted ZIL BTC on the YouTube channel the other day, and ZIL USDT I posted before I went to bed last night. Boom, 20% gains, quick, fast food, 20% gains. Zilliqa came out with this news just with the ETHNX exchange, a decentralized exchange, and ETHN being a partner. So again, huge news for Zilliqa and an amazing bullish setup. So news and a bullish setup equals profits. It's that simple. Here's another example, COS. And so I gave you guys this news the other day. This setup, March the 3rd. Watch for the retest. Watch for the retest. This is COS.TV video NFT coming soon. NFT, hype word, pay attention, right? That's what your brain has to think. Like, pay attention. NFT is a hype word. Coins pump, the herd buys NFTs. Anything NFT related, right? So, 117% profits in 2 weeks out of COS. That's freaking huge. That's 117% profits. It's big money. This is Troy Trade. The automatic investment tool is going to be launched soon. This is Troy. We killed it on Troy as well. So you can exchange your coins and tokens. Troy automatic investment tool. Big news for Troy. This person in my group, gentleman's been in my group for a couple years. And he said, I didn't have a whole lot left in my account after the panic situation drop. Since then, I have 59x'd my portfolio. This is what life-changing money feels like, he stated. He's not even 22 yet. 59x'd. Listen, he killed it. 59x. That's a big number for your entire portfolio. Basic attention tokens. I posted this setup about 2 weeks ago. You can see, buy the breakout of the falling wedge. Sometimes it just starts this simple, right? This is one of my bigger holdings because you guys have been giving me BAT, donating BAT to the channel over the past few years. You know, I did take some profits. 87% profits for basic attention tokens. And I'm going to talk to you about the news in just a second. I had somebody asking a question about BLZ. Is this the retest? Does this mean we should buy it? Okay, and so if you don't know what a confirmed retest is, you got to learn before you start entering these trades, right? Because you're looking for a bounce or candle in the candle close, a green candle close in the opposite direction. It's even better to go in like the 5-minute time frame and find like a bullish pattern at the just above the confirmation line and nail your trades on the 5-minute time frames. This person is a newbie, he said, when you take your profits, do you want to sell your whole stake in a coin, or just skim profits off and hold the rest of your stake in hopes of another price increase? 95% of the time, I'm taking profits out, like 20%, 20%, 20%, 20%, right? Here's why. I mean, this is our Rev setup. I gave you guys this setup, right? It nailed every single profit target, right? Especially this one. A lot of times people know, hey, there's the target. I'm going to front run. I'm going to sell just before it. They're trying to take your money before you take it, right? So it's important. You don't know if this is going to go up this much. You constantly 20%, 20%, 20%, right? Take your profits. If you don't, look, if you're just sitting here holding Rev, like, oh, it's going to go up forever. No, it's not necessarily. We're already up 175% on this thing at this point. Some type of retrace is completely normal, right? I mean, yeah, it could take off again, but I'm just saying, like, lock in your gains, put it in your pocket. Don't forget to pay yourself. Walton Chain News Edition. Let's go. They have a parent chain child DEX coming, a brand image upgrade. It's crazy. In like 2017, like they'd have a website redesign and coins would pump like 25% just because they're redesigning the web page. Like I remember Cardano upgraded their web page a while ago and it looks great. It looked our IOHK potentially. And then, you know, ADA saw a pump. This is a while ago, but ADA saw a pump based on this idea. So again, they got the DEX launch and the brand image upgrade. Now let's look at the pattern. Rounded bottoms. What do? Pay the bills, baby. Here we go. Buy the breakout of this level. Listen, when I post a setup, whether it's in the group or on Twitter or to you guys, like it's not always the best entry, but I might be making a video for 4 hours. I can't watch these charts all the time. Right. And so I just, hey, here's the pattern. Here's the idea. It might not be, hey, it's about to break out right now. I get a lot of these questions, and I've been getting a lot of these questions because I had more time to kind of interact with you guys. And I realize like I overlook some of the basic ideas. Like this doesn't mean, hey, it's going to break out right now. Like it's actually better to buy the move going lower. But if you're not charting these coins and you don't know that this yellow line is a 200 simple moving average, and when this price action retests it, you get explosive moves higher. I mean, look, one boom. If you get this, it would always be, you want to have plan A, plan B. If plan B is to buy a pullback or retest this, you're going to find a lot of success in buying the pullbacks. However, buying the breakout is another very successful strategy. Buying the breakouts is like the training wheels of trading. You got to start somewhere, right? You can see it. It's tangible. You can understand that volume comes in down here. The price breaks above it. The candle closes above it, or retest, comes back down and retests, and then springs higher. All right, so WTC, DEX launch, rebrand, end of the month. Watch those. MDT. Measurable data token. Actually, I've already posted it. Sorry, in the group previously. We're up on it because I think they posted something similar previously. MDT, major achievement, alt data. And they said, hey, here's a big partnership announcement in 8 days. 8 days. Here it is, 8 days. So again, this gives a hype factor. It gives a hype factor, right? You're going to get a run up to the announcement. 99.9% of the time, these announcements are never what we want them to be. It's always a letdown, right? You want this to be Amazon. You're buying the hype. It could be anybody. And then it turns out to be somebody you haven't heard of in China or wherever, right? And so just understand, like, this is a hype factor. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Buy the hype, sell before. Traders take profits on the run-ups here. Grayscale came out with this news about Chainlink and Tezos. They're adding 6 more trusts. This pumped basic attention token, Mana, LivePure, Filecoin. Also mentioned Chainlink and Tezos. I got set up on Chainlink for you in just a second. And so Grayscale, I've already talked to you about this. So look, February the 12th, I talked to you guys about this already. Grayscale, like they have all these, they filed all these trusts. Aave, basic attention token, Filecoin, here it is. They came out with links in here as well. There's all these coins that they've already been talking. Mana, like we've already known about this. I'm amazing at finding the news before mainstream media picks it up. I mean, that's how you make your money in this market. Let me find the news that moves the market before the herd finds out about it. Life-changing money, period. I want to give a shout out to Doge Guevara. He posted this in my Bitcoin group. And the DXY got wrecked. And so when the dollar dumps, Bitcoin has a lot of room for upside. A weak dollar means stronger Bitcoin. It's just amazing to me to see this fine oiled machine that I've put together, where you're able to just like run through these no chatter, no nonsense groups, and just cherry pick what coins are moving, who's calling this out. The DXY, like this is crucial. I'm trying to figure out, well, Bitcoin's freaking breaking higher. What's going on? The dollar's dumping. What happened in the news? And like I have a team, almost 5,000 people now working together to trade this market. But guys, remember this, hard. Anybody, if you're not going hard, you're going soft. Don't do that. I posted this setup on the 14th, 3 days ago. 31,619 people saw this video. Anybody? Anyone? 52% max profits on hard. I gave it to you 3 days ago. 52%. Lock it in. Get your money. I even had the retest. Like, hey, buy the retest. Posted quite a few times. So this is DUSK. Okay. DUSK has a ton of news. Let me pull it up over here on my other monitor. I went over the DUSK news with you yesterday. And so basically they've got DUSK Wallet, Block Explorer, DUSK Labs. And then on the 9th, they've got a DUSK conference, 9th of April, a biannual report on April the 12th. They have an E2E release candidate on April the 9th. And then they have a Block Explorer release on March the 29th. So they have a lot of news. Now, this thing is a BTC pair, okay? So if Bitcoin pulls back, there's a higher probability that this retests, right? If Bitcoin pumps, like this prints a red candle like it is right now. See that? So either you're going to buy the breakout of this candle, but this, if you look at this thing has been, for a month, it's just been this like upsloping consolidation. When these break out, a lot of times you get these parabolic price risers. Okay, so this is Link USDT. There's a lot of upside for Link. This next move is coming. I mean, potentially you got this triangle right here. If it breaks higher, I mean, you could potentially see $50 Link here. Buy the breakout of this triangle. Stochastic is, oh, this is daily. The daily stochastic is oversold. I mean, when that happens and you get a bullish cross, I mean, this is here. At least you got this move from $23 to $32, which is actually, I mean, it's a pretty significant move. This is a daily chart, right? So, I mean, if Bitcoin pulls back and you get another, you might get a double bottom here, right? You might get as long as Bitcoin doesn't dump hard, you might get a double bottom and then continuation higher. So that would be a good entry too. You always keep an eye on Bitcoin. It's going to tell you how to make these trades on these altcoins. I have people hit me up sometimes who are like, oh, I bought this coin and now what do I do? No, it doesn't work like that. Let me show you how this market works. Like, it's not here, throw your money at this market and then figure it out. Well, what do I do? When do I take profits? Should I sell now? Things didn't work out the way I wanted to. What should I do? Right? Sell your losers quickly. Ride your winners, period. THETA. THETA wants to be a $10 coin, possibly 11. Buy the breakout of the bull pennant. And you really want to see a breakout of the all-time high up here about 771, right? And then continuation. You could see $10, 12 cent THETA based on this idea. But I mean, you got this parabolic move and this bullish pennant. I mean, this is a nice looking setup for THETA USDT, but Bitcoin has to cooperate. All these setups, like, they're null and void as soon as Bitcoin does something crazy. These altcoins really perform well when Bitcoin's working with the market. Right? When Bitcoin's all over the place, nobody wants to trade this market. And that's why you don't get good altcoin movement. DEGO. And so this is an idea. I gave you guys DEGO previously. We made some profits on it. And there's an idea where this could be a bull pennant. It might be nothing. But essentially right now, I've got 2 touches on top and 2 touches on the bottom. Let me show you. I guess the concern here is, look at what DEGO's done. Look at what DEGO has done. This thing is up from 48 cents to $22. Okay, so if this is a bull pennant, and this is on the daily, I mean, essentially, if you have any clue what you're doing as a trader, I mean, you could potentially buy the bottom of the pattern and then look to take profits at the top and squeeze 15 to 20% gains out of here, right? Or, you know, you could buy the breakout of this pattern, and there's going to be a ton of upside, but keep an eye on DEGO. ENJ, who's ready for this move? Who is ready for NFTs to bounce back? NFTs pulled back a little bit, just like most of the market did. NFTs are going to be huge. ENJ, possibly parabolic move higher here. This thing's running out of room. Like, man, there might be 40% profits on this next move for ENJ. Keep an eye on this setup. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, $500 Bitcoin giveaway. Comment in the comment box, leave a comment. You got to leave a comment to win. I'll see you guys tomorrow.